Welcome all of you in this part of today's session. Today we are going to discuss various techniques, methods and processes of video making. In the first half of the session, we discussed how to make video by using Zoom app. In this part of the session, we are going to learn how to make video in a simple way. But in order to make video in simple way, by this process, you need some of the things that you have to keep ready. That is your raw material and some of the apps which are necessary. First of them is your face recording. As I told you, take your mobile and record your video by turning on your camera. If you want to change the background color, as it is called chroma, then use the green background back of your photo. And after recording your face, recording your lecture in your mobile, keep it ready. It is called face recording. The second thing we have to keep ready to make video by this process is your JPG file. And we have discussed how to convert our PPT into JPG. Keep that file ready. Then the third important factor which is necessary in this process is some editing apps on your mobile. And I suggested two apps for editing videos. First of them is KineMaster and second is PowerDirector. If you have these two editing apps in your mobile, then obviously we have to start the process of editing your videos, and this process will be explained in this part of the session. This is very simple. I will step by step explain how to import image, how to import face recording, how to embed both of them, how to give transition to it, how to add music, how to do chroma, and all the necessary process. So first I will share my screen of mobile. We have to edit it in mobile. This is the screen of my mobile. On my screen, editing app KineMaster is here. I will click on it. So this is the home page of KineMaster. On this home page, plus button is there. Click on plus button. Then this screen will appear. Then select the adjustment of your slide. The first one, that is 16:9, I have selected. Then this screen will appear. The rounded one, there are 4 buttons where you have to work or do the editing work. So first thing, you have to select all the JPG, means all the images of your project. Go to media, this top button. Then first I will select the slide of welcome. For example, I'll select this one slide. I have selected this one slide. Then correct it. Then obviously again you have to go to media and select the file, that is a JPG file or images of your project. So I will select this file, and this is all the images of my project or presentation. Select all the images one by one, slides one by one. I will select first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10 and 11th. I have selected all the images. Then you have to go to the right at the top and correct it. So this is your first layer. Then again immediately you select the JPG or image of thank you. Go here and from your project select thank you. This is my slide of thank you. So all the images I have selected. Then you have to work on it. The first thing you have to do is you have to adjust to the screen all the selected your slides JPG. So in this way, select on the each image, then this screen will appear. In this screen, this is middle is the button of crop or cropping. Select on it. Then these two slide screen will appear. Here the first one, this means is not the proper adjustment. Click on it and then adjust from here. For example, I have adjusted in this way. So first image I have adjusted and click on the top right. Then first image is adjusted. You have to adjust each and every image in this way. This is the important work. After adjustment of all this slide, you have to give transition. In middle between this one box you have to select. Then after selecting, various options will appear here and I will select one of them. For example, I will select 3D transition from here. And in 3D there are various options. Select bouncy one. So this will be the selection of your transition. Go to the top right and correct on it. So after correcting, this is your final transition. In between all the images, such a type of transition you have to give it, and this will be the finalization of your first layer of your video making process. Then we have to edit the second layer where we are going to import face recording. So go to the layer option, click on it, then various options will be appeared there. The first one, that is media, select it, and after selecting, select the face recording, that is recorded video with a green background, that is essential for chroma. Then I will select this one, say OK. So this second layer is selected. After selecting the second layer of my project, you have to adjust, and for the adjustment you click on this, and after clicking, go to the first chroma key. Here is the chroma key. Then click on the enable button. So this you have to adjust. For example, I will adjust in this way. So this is adjustment I have finished. Again click on your photo, that is say correct, OK, yes. Then after this you have to click on your photo again. Here you have to adjust the size. For example, in this way I will adjust where I want to place this photo. I will place properly. After that I will say OK to the right side at top. Then this almost your second layer is finished. Now I have to insert music wherever it is necessary, maybe in the beginning, maybe at the end, or in between. Then I will go to the button audio, click on it. These are the different options. Click on one of them. For example, I will select this one and will click on plus button. So it is imported here. Then go to the top at right side, click on it, and your music is added. If you want to give to the first slide, then adjust it, and after the adjustment you crop it. For example, this one I have to select for the first slide. Then go to the option trim and split, click on it. Then after this, trim to the right, play ahead. This is option you have to click on it, and your music is selected as per your need here. Then again go to the top right side button and click on it, and this is the finalization of giving music. If you want to add anywhere any slide in between or at the end, then in same way you have to add the music button. And after adding music button, my project is almost finalized. Then it is ready to publish. Then I have to go to the button share. Here is sharing button to the left side, click on it. After clicking on it, say export. Click on this export button, and your final video is going to export, and that will be your final video. Thank you very much.